Now for the calculations of my pleated skirt, when you will make only a skirt, then you have to take the contour of your waist or your hips or wherever you want your skirt to start. But in this case it's a dress, so the skirt part, the bottom part, it has to match perfectly with the waistline in the top part. So for that we are not going to take the contour directly in our body. We are going to take the contour here in the patterns. The patterns we already make for the top with the transformation. So take it from here. I will take it in centimeters to be more exact, but you can make it also in inch, it's the same process. So I will take it, and for me is 23.5 centimeters. This is the front. Remember, I am taking this contour once I close the dart. This is my dart, so first I close it and then take the contour, because we will close the dart. First we will close the dart and then attach the bottom. So in case of this, of the back part, take it in the front part, it will be the same. Only I want to show you. Here I didn't mark the dart again, I will mark it now. So if I take in the back part, it will be also 23.5. It's the same because these are based in our basic bodice patterns. So I will take that contour to make my calculations. 23.5 centimeters, I will multiply it by 4, because this is the fourth part of my contour. So I will multiply it by 4. So the contour at the end is 94 centimeters. I will add 2 centimeters for stitches. I told you to add 1 inch, but in this case I am working with centimeters. Okay, so I will add 2 centimeters. In these calculations, everything has to be the same unit. If you are working the contour in centimeters, then add everything in centimeters. Work everything. If you are working this contour in inch, then everything in inch. Okay? Don't make, for example, the mistake like you have 94 centimeters and you will divide it by 8 inch. No, everything, it has to be centimeters. So I want my dart. I will make inverted box pleats. So I fold a piece of paper in the form of a pleat and I measure it, and from here is 8 centimeters. So that is the single width I want for my pleat. So the 96 I got from here, I will divide it by 8 centimeters, and that gives me 12 centimeters, which is the amount of pleats I will have in my skirt. Okay, now 12 multiplied by 8, this it will always give you the same as the same measure that here. If here you have 96, here it will give you 96. So this step is once you have more experience making pleats, you can skip it and just multiply it by 3. But to show you all the process, that's why I teach you in this way. So 12 by 8, which is again this, it gives me again 96, and then multiply by 3 and it gives me 2.88 meters. That means 288 centimeters of fabric I will need for my skirt, and the length wherever I want.